Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. This is Reality. Today I'm here to show you how I turned that book and a tin can we all have at home into a work of art. Most of the items that I use in my video are from Dollar Tree. Let's start with the book first. Here is the book that I am working with. It has a hardcover. First, I prepared my paint. I used matte white and matte King's Gold acrylic paint. I tried to match the color of the napkin that I'm going to use. I added more white than King's Gold. Then I started to paint. The brush that I am using here is from Dollar Tree hardware section. This brush gives me the look I want. I wanted to have more brush stroke look. If you're looking for more flat, more smooth finish, I suggest you to use sponge brush. This is how it looks with the first coat. I waited for it to dry about an hour. Then I gave another coat. Second coat gives better coverage. And then I waited another hour for the second coat to dry. I'm not done with my book yet. Next step is decoupaging napkins on my book. This is the napkin that I'm using. I got this napkin from Dollar Tree recently. I'm just tearing the parts from napkins slowly. I'm not using scissors because the pieces shouldn't look perfect in my case. Then I decided where the pieces will be on my book cover. This napkin is 2-ply and you need to remove the bottom one. Some napkins might be 3-ply, so make sure that you're removing the other 2 layers. You need to use the top layer. After I had my pieces ready, I started to apply my Mod Podge. I am light-handed. I don't apply a lot because the piece is very thin. I don't want it to get torn. Then I put my napkin piece on Mod Podge. I am adding more Mod Podge here and there. If you want, you can use cling wrap instead of your fingers. I just repeat the same thing for each pieces. I applied another coat of Mod Podge. I waited 20 minutes before I applied my second coat. I'm applying Mod Podge from the center of my shape to the out. After my second coat dried, I decided to add more pieces. This is from Joann's fabric. It's a decorative ribbon. I got it around Christmas time. I use hot glue here because I want my piece to stay on its place. Later, I will use Mod Podge. Then I cut here and there. I decided to add more pieces. I just cut small pieces from the ribbon. Then I use my hot glue gun. Later, I applied Mod Podge to seal my branch-looking pieces. And this is how it looks. Next project is with tin can. This is just a diced tomato can. I peeled the paper first, then I washed it with soap and let it dry. I am painting my can with the same color that I used for my book. I'm painting vertically because I don't want perfect looking finish. After I finished my first coat of paint, I waited for an hour. Meanwhile, I wrapped my brush in paint so they don't dry while I'm waiting for the can. Then I applied my second coat. I waited for another hour for my second coat to dry, and I used the burlap from Dollar Tree. This burlap is perfect for shabby chic or farmhouse decors. I hot glued the burlap and I'm using the butterfly that I got from Dollar Tree. It has a metal pin. I put the pin under the burlap, and then I decided to use my hot glue to secure it. And it's ready for my flowers. This greenery bouquet again from Dollar Tree. I decided to use these. I really like these flowers. And voila! Thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, please do not forget to give thumbs up. And I'm making DIYs and hauls on my channel. If you like these, I would like to have you as a subscriber. See you next time!